Hello and welcome back guys to another tutorial. In this tutorial we will be designing the home screen layout of the Facebook. The video will have in 3 parts. In the first part we will be designing the top header layout. In the second part we will have design the storage layout, and the third we will have to design the post layout of the Facebook UI. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, I have created a stateful widget with the class name Facebook Home Flutter. And have connected that class with our main .dot file, as you can see. So let's start from our scaffold. The scaffold will have body, and the body will have column, children. The children will have row, and the children of the row will have a container, decoration, box decoration, colors are white, box shadow, colors dot anything you wanted. I'm keeping 0xFF 7E. Let's add commas here and add a const here. Let's further move and add offset to our box shadow 1.0, blur radius 10.0, spread radius 2.0. Let's give width and height to our container to see the result. Yeah, it's cool. Let's adjust the box shadow properties so we can get what we want. And the color may be a little lighter. Little more lighter color. Yeah, it's cool. So let's remove the width and height of the container, and let's add a child to our container. The child will be column, children, clip all, child, image, network image, and the URL I have copy and pasted from the internet. Let's save it. Yeah, and let's overflow. Let's give width to our image 20. Let's wrap our image with the container and give that width to our container. Fit box fit cover. Let's give height to our container. Let's increase the width and height so you can see the result. So we don't want this layout. We want the border of our profile picture. So for this we have to add decoration, box decoration, border all, color dot blue accent, with 2.0, style border dot solid, let's replace our clip oval with the clip or rect. Border radius dot circular, 30. We are not getting what we want. Let's move our container outside of the clip or rect and wrap the clip or rect with the container and paste these properties in the created container. Let's give width and height to our container again. Yeah, this is what we wanted. Let's add border radius in box decoration. Border radius dot circular. Yeah, this is what we wanted. Now let's move this container outside of the row. Copy, paste, and remove this container, and also the column. Let's add text here, Facebook, row, children, and the row will have two icons. The first one will be icons dot camera. No, we don't want this camera. We have to search for another icon. Yeah, it's called camera alt, and let me remove the outline. Yeah, this is the icon we wanted. Let's add another icon here, and this will be chat bubble. Yeah, this is if you want. Let's add a const here. Let's add a style to our Facebook text. Style text style, font size 30, font weight dot bold, and hit save. The font size is bigger, so we have to decrease it. 22. No, I think 18. It's good. Yeah. Let's add a color here. Colors are blue. And let's adjust the value near to our Facebook color. Yeah, it's cool. Let's add a color to our chat bubble icon. Colors dot the color we already have. Let's add alignment to our row. Main axis alignment dot space between. Yeah, this is what we wanted. Let's decrease the width and height of our profile container. Let's add a size box and width 10, maybe 5. Let's wrap our row with the padding, so we will have padding from the corner of the screen, maybe 20. Yeah, it's cool. Let's further move and add a column here to our row. So we'll have to start the next step. We will add a text form field to our created column. Decoration, const input decoration, label text, text should be search, label style, text style, color dot this. Yes. So let's add a prefix icon here to our text form field. icons.search. Let's adjust the text color. Yeah, light gray. It's good. Let's add a row, and row will have 5 different icons. Icons dot game. Let's add a const here. Let me copy and paste that icon and change dot people. Copy and paste. Shopping cart. Yeah, it's cool. Let's copy and paste and change the icon to notifications. Let's copy and paste one more time and change the icon to list. Yeah, let's add alignment to our row. Main axis alignment dot space between. Yeah, this is what we wanted. Let's add a size block here and height, and the height should be 20. Yeah, and let's add color to our first icon. Colors dot, and the color should be this. Copy and paste. This is what we wanted, guys. Stay tuned for the next part of the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment, and turn on the notification button to never miss an update.